Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. We have a 1987 Pontiac GTA. This one's not very stock, is it?
No, not at all.
Not even a little, right?
Not even a little, no.
Well, Bob, tell us about it.
Yeah, well, it's got a 400 small block with it.
Okay.
It's got about 500 horse. It's got the slow master exhaust, big headers, headroom, large heads redone. Everything inside is made to go.
Super clean car.
Yeah. It's got a 12-volt Chevy rear with 273 gears, hot. Low master exhaust, like I said, to the back.
So there are 2 and 7/8 from the header,
All the way to the back.
and then closing out at 3-inch out the pipe.
Yep.
5-speed manual. What kind of gears?
273.
Oh, so she'll do 80. Real nice on the highway, right?
Yeah,
Real good driver.
Yeah, she was a very good driver. Very tight, very nice driver.
Paint's beautiful, God. Got Mickeys in the back. Those are 275 ET streets. 255, sorry. Plenty of rubber. Those aren't cheap either. Beautiful paint. It's a great car for the money, Bob. You can't beat this.
So you see them, so you can tell big the Beetle does. I don't know.
It's a bargain, man. It does. Sounds so throaty. There it is. GTA interior. My favorite. So comfortable, you know? Digital dash. Stereo really rocks. Power windows. Man, the interior is super clean. Bob, can you open the hood? So it's a Pontiac 400. Monster headers. Jeez. About how many miles on the build on this?
About 3,000 miles, I think.
Okay. Got a MSD distributor. Victor Jr. Intake, Highrise intake. MSD 6AL. Nice big aluminum radiator. Best for the fuel pump. Power steering, power brakes. Got an MSD Blaster Coil over there, too. Nice, it's done right, huh?
Yep. That 650 double pumper on it.
650 double pumper.
The way to go in the radiator is the large radiator with the aluminum. So that's very
So she runs nice and cool, right?
Yep. Nothing, no problem with nothing on this one. It's a perfect driver.
Great driver. This ain't gonna break the bank either. Great for anyone to get in the game. I like how you punched out the vent, too. Keep it cool. We go for a ride? Yeah, let's go.
I am so happy we idled out. We lucked out on that. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's got a nice sound to it, huh? A little bit of a sleeper you got here, Bob.
Definitely a sleeper.
out here. I can feel the tires wanting to break loose a little.
Yeah, it's easy to drive. It's really a nice vehicle.
Yeah, it's streetable, you know?
Yes, this is perfect. If you want to drive it, this is a drive without a doubt. Like I said, it's very, very tight.
Very cool.
No ground.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. Thanks again, Bob.